Hey, would you like to learn something about your clothes dryer that most people don't know? What I'm about to show you is going to make your laundry room more efficient, and it's easy to do, and I'm going to show you. It'll only take a couple minutes to get this done. Okay, what I'm about to show you about your dryer is going to blow your mind. Two scenarios. Let's say your washing machine is on this side of your dryer. When you go to unload your washing machine, put your clothes in your dryer, this door is going to be in the way, right? Second scenario, let's say there's a wall here that goes across here. Your washing machine is on the right side. Your door opens this way. You got to squeeze through here to get your clothes into the dryer. What if your door could swing this way? Well, it can. And we're going to show you how easy it is to do right now. Okay, let's open the door of the dryer. And first of all, we're going to tackle these hinges here. So you could just use a screwdriver like this to undo the screws. It's a Phillips screwdriver. But to speed up the process, I'm going to use my cordless drill gun. Now we can remove the door. Okay, so we're going to lay our door flat on the floor like this. This is the top of our door. And we're going to go and undo all these screws so that we can switch hinges over from one side to the other, plus this door catch here. Now, one thing you can do is take a picture of it so that you know how it goes. Now I'll do one with a screwdriver, because in case you don't have a cordless gun, you can still use your screwdriver. Now we're going to have these two screws over here, and they're a little bit longer, so at least on this machine here. So keep that in mind when you're putting it back together. So what we want to do now is we want to move these hinges here over to this side. We want to move this door catch over on this side. So what we're going to do now is we're going to separate the inner door from the outer door. There we go. So first we'll take this door catch here, we'll just pick it up, and we're going to move it right over into this spot here. We're just going to let it sit there like this. This is why we're doing it flat on the floor. Then this here is just a space filler. We're going to take that out, and we're going to move it over here. We're just going to move things to the opposite side. To recap, we just moved everything from one side to the other, and the things on this side to this side. Now, my hinges were stuck to the outer face, and I just took them off of here and put them over here. So now we're going to take our inner piece, and we're going to place it down on top of the inner skin of the door. Make sure it's all fitting good, and then we can add the screws in. So first we're going to take our long screws and put them in here in the door catch. Now we're going to go ahead and continue adding all the screws where they need to go. Okay, now all the screws are in place, and now we can work on the dryer part. Okay, now for our door catch to work, we have to move the female part here over to here. So we'll be removing this cover and moving this over here. And then we're going to remove these covers so we can attach our hinges to this side. So you can just take a screwdriver or a scraper here, just get it behind here. There's a tab. You can pop that out. Okay, now we're going to put this part here. All right, now we have everything done. We can add our door to the dryer. So your dryer hinges are going to have a couple screws on each hinge, and they go in these slots here. There's one on the bottom too, and then drops in. So we just fit it. There, we're dropped into place. Now we can add our 4 bolts to the hinges. Now we have everything switched over. Now you have a dryer door that opens from the right to the left. Telling you, they don't want you to know these things so that you go out and buy new appliances when it's a simple fix. If you like this, hit the thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next video.